For more information, see the description below. Namaste. So now is, what is that? Aryapati. Is that so? Aryapati. Artha. It's difficult to understand.
Arthavati. In Arthavati, which are the two words? You tell me.
Artha.
No.
Pati.
No.
Just a second. I'm writing the word. Pati,
Yeah,
double
before
T.
writing, you tell me which are the two parts of that Arthavati.
So it's going to be, since it's Dirga,
Let it be Dirgha. Which is the first word?
it's going to be Artha.
Artha. Then what will be the next word?
Apati.
Not apati. Apatti is the next word.
Okay.
Artha and apatti is the next word. Apatti means falling into is the meaning of apatti. Falling into is the meaning of apatti. Artha means subject matter. Artha apatti means arthasya apatti. Another, falling into.
Arthasya
Apatti.
apati.
Apatti, falling into.
This is one T or double T? It's not clear.
Two.
Okay.
Because pada dhadu ikkatinna pratyaya.
So, the meaning there. Arthapatihi.
Arthapatti. See, while reading itself, you should read it in a proper manner.
Arthapati.
Listen me.
Arthapati.
Listen me. Arthapattihi.
Arthapati. I forgot about the hand.
Got it, na? Arthapattihi.
Arthapati.
Patti. Arthapattihi.
Arthapati.
Not pati, pattihi. Arthapattihi. Apattihi. Arthapattihi.
Arthapati.
Okay?
Okay.
While reading itself, if you get, the idea will be there in the mind. That's why. Arthapattihi. Arthapattihi.
Arthapatihi. Yes, sir. Sahikte. Sahikte bye.
Saha or saho?
Saho.
Is it saho?
It seems. Sahokte. Sahokte.
Sahoktebhyo. Why you are reading it sahe?
Saho.
Reading the 50 slogas by hearted, reading small spelling errors. Sahotebhya.
Sahokter byo.
Byo nanda. Sahotebhyo.
Byo.
Sahotebhyo.
Sahokte byo.
See again spelling mistake.
It's going to be byo and ukta.
Sahotebhyo.
It's going to be ukta.
No, there is a spelling pencil. Spelling. There is a spelling error. That's why this textbook, it is printed in a horrible manner.
Can we agree?
And the person has given English interpretations also lot of misinterpretations are there some places.
Just a second, I'm trying to find it. Not found.
Not found. Then you have to put the avagraha mark here. After byo, avagraha mark.
After byo.
Avagraha mark has to be done. Then api plus ekasya will get. Otherwise you will not get it.
Okay.
Api plus ekasya, apyekasya.
Apye.
Apyegasya.
अपेक्षया कस्य अर्थे
अप्येकस्यार्थे
no not अर्थे अर्थो
अप्येकस्यार्थो
this is
correct only
right?
avagraha. That's why they missed a lot there. So अन्यथा
अन्यथा
आपतेत अन्यथा आपतेत 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 विधिलिंग पत धातु not apatet apatet
आपते okay meaning artha here is going to be
any
words?
subject matter.
Okay. Subjects.
You write arthasya apattihi.
Yes, here.
Arthasya apattihi arthapattihi.
Okay. Okay. Done.
Falling off
in the side of arthasya patihi.
Arthasya apattihi arthapattihi is the derivation. Okay.
Okay.
Meaning of that one. Falling off
Okay.
an additional subject matter.
Following or falling?
Falling off an additional subject matter from the given. From the given statement.
Okay.
Okay.
There is one very important movie in the West that is called Star Wars. Do you know? It's very famous. One of the just like most famous ever. And there is one very good warrior. He's very old, very little, and he speaks in Sanskrit because his grammar. And when people go to the movie and see he speaking, people don't understand, even though it's English, because the grammar is. His name is Yoda. So it's like this. What was the word? Statement. Oh, thank God, he spoke the word.
So a statement is given. From that statement, we are getting another sense. Simple example.
So this is going to be implication.
Yeah. Yes. I'll tell you. Dhati na naktam dhati na bunchida. Naktam dhati na bunchida. Are you right? Naktam dhati na bunchida. Naktam dhati. Dhati na bunchida.
Double T.
Na.
Naktam dhati or
na
dhati?
bunchida. I will write in Sanskrit.
Okay, no problem. I can read already.
Naktam
Okay.
dhati na bunchita. Bunchita means intake or consume. Na means not. Dhati means curd. Nakta means night. In the night, curd should not be consumed.
Okay.
Is a sentence given. What did you understand? You should not take which one? Dhati in the night. But if you sit and read that line 2-3 times, oh, they told that Naktam dhati na bunchida. Then what is the condition of diva? Day. You can assume that daytime dhati can be taken because specifically they told that in the night it should not be taken. So daytime it can be taken. Right?
Yes.
One idea you got?
Yes.
Now another idea. Naktam dhati na bunjida. They told only dhati. So if I do any samskarana of that dhati, if I add some other particles or something like that, and if I change the properties of the dhati, I may take dhati in the night also. Right? Thinking like this from the given sentence is called which Tandrayukti?
Arthapati.
You got it now? Got it?
In English, falling it doesn't make sense. It has to be
brought into.
Implication.
Implication. Implied. Okay.
Because this process in Greek makes sense, but in English doesn't.
Yes.
I can understand because I can understand the Greek of going down.
Yeah.
And when you go down, you create another thing.
Yeah,
but
totally.
in English, it's not implication of another subject matter from the given state. Okay.
I think you understand now.
Yes.
See how much meaning I took from that one? Naktam the Dibunjida. As they mentioned Naktam, Diva, the Dibunjida I can say. Daytime I can take. Otherwise I can say that they told only Dadi. So if I do any samskarana, any culturalization or any process by adding some herbs or by adding some taste or something like that, I may take Dadi in the night also.
This I can understand. There is the
Dadi.
but this, how this is the,
Da.
this is the.
Yes.
This is the same?
See, when you write, you will write like this, da.
Okay.
When I speed, I write, it became like this. That's all. See?
Good to know, because this is not the.
Handwritten, it is very difficult because I will write my own sentence, I can read. But this is the right spell, Dati.
Okay.
Dati. D-A-D-H-I.
Okay. Okay. Clear.
So I hope you understood now. This is very much helpful in going through the line to the different sort of, especially in treatment and etc. It is very, very, very important. They will tell in Madhyadigana, one drug should not be used. Okay?
Okay.
If you sit, why that drug is not used in this disease? Again, you will think that, oh, along with the Madhura, these properties are there. So along with Madhura, if these properties are there, in this particular condition, that medicine cannot be used. Okay? And you see, in this disease, this is the condition. That is why when these properties are there, we cannot. So any disease which are opposite to this drug is a good medicine. Understood, na? Like this, you can go on thinking on a single line given to the context. So Arthapati is one of the very important Tandrayukti which makes you to understand more knowledge from the given sentence. Adhikarana is also very important. Yoga is also very important. Apadesha, Adidesha, etc. are just for how to write a thesis or how to write a textbook. Sometimes you may have to repeat, sometimes you are not supposed to repeat. Like these things. But most useful is to understand the text is Arthapati, Yoga, Adhikarana.
Oh, you put a special sign.
Understood?
Up to now, you're saying that the
Adhikarana is very, very important. It is very much needed. Everywhere you have to apply it. Yoga Tantra Yukti also will support you a lot to understand because it is Yukti based. Okay? Apadesha, Upadesha, etc. are just like that. But this Tantra Yukti, before Arthapati, Aditesha, in that one, the Avya Prayogas are very useful. Cha, Api, etc. From that we can get the additional meaning to that one. Okay? First, for the interpretation of the text with the more meaning, Adidesha helps you, Arthapati helps you. Clear? Yoga helps you, Adhikarana helps you. Clear? Clear for you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, shall we stop today?
Sure.
I am also exhausted.
Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.